Hello friends, in this video I am going to tell you how to change button position in Elementor. As you can see right now I am editing a web page of my website using Elementor, and here I have just created a section with having two columns, right? It is a grid section, and in the first column I have simply added a container with a background image. Now what I want is to add a button widget in the same container, in the first column container, right? So for adding a button widget, you just need to click on the plus icon on the black header line on the top and simply search for button widget in the left side toolbar, and simply then drag and drop the button widget into the container. Okay, the button has been added. Now what I want is to change the position of my button, right? So for changing the position, you can move to the style settings in the left side toolbar itself, and here as you can see right now button is aligned to left. You can align it to center, right, or stretch, whatever you want. If you want to change the margin of your button, then you need to go to the advanced setting, right? In the advanced setting you can increase the margin of your button from top, left, right, wherever you want. And if all numbers are increasing and decreasing together, this is because you have simply linked your margin, right? So for unlinking your margin, you need to click on this unlink button first, and then you can simply increase the top margin of a button to move your button downward, right? So this is how you can simply change the position of your button in Elementor. Apart from it, if you want to learn more about Elementor, I have mentioned my blog link in video description. You can simply visit my blog and read articles related to Elementor with video tutorials. And if you are interested in learning digital marketing in detail, then also I have mentioned my website link in video description. You can simply visit my website, explore our digital marketing course, and you can purchase the course directly from there. Thank you so much.
If you want to learn digital marketing for free, then subscribe Digital Bikana YouTube channel right now.